Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to link Google Authenticator to Bitget Wallet. If you want to set up two-factor authentication for added security, follow these simple steps. First, open the Bitget Wallet app. Tap the icon at the top left corner, then select your wallet from the top of the screen. Next, look for the Google Authenticator option and tap on it. If you don't have the app installed, click Download, and it will redirect you to the Play Store or App Store. If you already have it, just tap Next. Now you'll see a setup key and a QR code. You can either copy the setup key or take a screenshot of the QR code for later use. I'll copy the setup key and tap Next. Now open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon, then select Enter a setup key. Paste the setup key in the field provided. Enter a name, e.g., Bitget Wallet, to label it. Tap Add. You'll now see a 6-digit authentication code generated by the app. Copy this code and go back to Bitget Wallet. Paste the code into the required field, then tap Bind. You may need to enter your password or PIN code to confirm. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation message. Google Authenticator is now successfully linked. That's it. Your account is now more secure. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.